In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Fortnite no songs found problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is to clear Fortnite's and Epic Games cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause problems. If this is the case, clearing these cache files will solve the problem. Before doing this, open Task Manager and make sure Fortnite is closed. After doing this, we go to the search section and open Run. Type %local app data % in the search bar and click OK. In the folder that opens, delete the Epic Games Launcher, Epic Games, and Fortnite game folders. Deleting these files will not cause any damage to our game. We have cleared the cache files of Epic Games and Fortnite. Now we can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to change the matchmaking region. It worked for a few people on Reddit, so I wanted to include it in this video. To do this, we click on our profile on the top right, then click Menu and then open Settings. Click on Game at the top and select a different matchmaking region and click Apply. After doing this, we select the actual region we are playing back and click Apply. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.